for January, I think, and August of each year. Pero pwede din naman po kayong makakuha ng COMEX or the computerized examination. Balik po tayo sa Fearless Pass, the Ultimate Civil Service Exam Success System. Kaya sinabi ko nga kanina, it's actually an accumulation of our knowledge and experience on the different review of various government examinations that we participated in through the years. Early part ng karera ko po ay nagsimula po ako sa CS Subprof. That was way back in 1998 when I was in third year college. Nakapasa ako dyan. Then I eventually take the CS Prof. And when I entered the Department of the Interior and Local Government in 2005, I took the DILG Psychometric Examinations. Noon po hindi ko alam na yung civil service eligibility ay pwede po pala para sa PNP entrance. So pwede po magagamit na eligibility sa entrance mo po sa Philippine National Police. Pero nevertheless, I took and also passed the PNP examination in 2003. While at the service, I took the DILG Psychometric Examination and passed my LGOO course to become the Local Government Operations Officer of the Department of the Interior and Local Government. Eventually, noong 2009, the Civil Service Commission was offering the local scholarship program for the master's degree course, of which I eventually passed in 2009 and went on to take my master's. Nag-try ako sa foreign service. Parang, ano ba, i-try ko kung pwede ako. At that time, I think I was 32 and luckily I was one of those who passed the foreign service examination. And lastly, kumuha din po ako ng international safety exam from the International Association of Safety Professionals. No? So, based on my experience and the knowledge in participating to these various government examinations, I was able to accumulate yung mga experiences na yan. And in the course of my research and with the help of educators, former fellow government workers, we came up with this blueprint or we came up with this course na tinatawag natin na Fearless Pass Ultimate Civil Service Exam Success System.